everybody, it's Friday the 27th of June 2025, coming up on noon, 73 degrees, and that's the Charles River. We're in Allston, neighborhood of Boston. One of my subscribers, which I won't give her name because I don't have permission, but she lives in the Allston area, and her mother, who is not in the United States because my subscriber is an international student, I assume at Boston University since it's in Allston. Her mother watches videos to see what it's like where her daughter lives. So, Smita Singh, I hope I didn't butcher your first name. Thank you for watching my videos. Hopefully you enjoy the river. Oh, this bird apparently doesn't like me being here. Alright. So we got into the grass and off the path, but I wanted to be close to the river. You can see there's kind of an unofficial path. I do listen to music while I'm doing this, so you may hear me hum or sing along, and if it's not good, which it probably won't be, apologies. I'll go this way. Right now I'm listening to Depeche Mode, Strange Love. So besides seeing the trees and plants and river, we also like to people watch. I have to ask myself, I was born in the 1960s in Indiana. If you're running, something was chasing you, or you were on the track or cross country teams. Otherwise, nope, no running. Once you reach like 15. We played hide and go seek in the dark. Had to run then. That was fun. One of my good memories growing up, one of the few. So you can rent the boats. I would drown because I'd probably turn upside down. I warned you. I'll make your heart smile. I had a relationship that this was the theme song. So yeah, down in September, I think it is, the head of the Charles Regatta is here, and I've recorded it both times. Part of it, it's the biggest boat race of these kind of boats in the world. People come from all over. 2 years ago, I particularly cheered on the Ukrainian women's team. So the river, it bends around this part. It goes up, around, and then comes back down over there. Glad I remembered my sunscreen. I'm still turning red. Oh well. We'll finish up soon. Yeah, this time of year I burn very easily. My right arm gets burnt because it's where I hold the camera most of the time in my right hand, which means it's perpendicular to the ground. or no, I'm sorry, parallel to the ground, perpendicular to the sun rays. All right, let's see where we're at and which way I want to go while you look at the river. Okay. Oh yeah. See, we're still on the, we're there. I don't know if you can see it. And there's some big boats. Looks like, I don't know. And, I'm a 49-minute walk from home in the sun, and there's no public transportation that goes this way. It says, so we might have to take a lift home. I mean, the benches are nice, but the overgrowth, the shrubbery, is too tall to see anything, but I bet my neck is getting burned as heck. Mm-hmm. Enjoy a view of the, oh no, of the river while I figure out how I'm getting home. You can't, no, okay. All right, well, we usually keep these a little longer, but before I get too fried, I'm gonna go up and catch a lift and go home and upload these. So again, thank you for coming along. And until next time, love y'all.